Hi everybody and welcome to this Hyperfollow video. My name is Mattias and today we're going to look at how you can promote your music in 2020 with Hyperfollow. Quick disclaimer, this is a sponsored video by DistroKid. I'm personally using DistroKid to distribute my music to Spotify and other streaming platforms. If you want to check out DistroKid, you can use my promo link here, which will give you a 7% discount on your first year membership of DistroKid. So what's Hyperfollow? Hyperfollow is a free service from DistroKid to help artists grow a larger fan base. Basically, it's a centralized webpage for each music release you publish. It's the one link to share with your future and current fan base. Right, so how does Hyperfollow work? While I don't have any new releases going on, maybe we can look at the Hyperfollow page to some of my already published albums. And you go to the channel dashboard of DistroKid and then the My Musics tab. And here we can see all the albums I've currently have published. And maybe we can look at this Gelheim track called Fly. And you go down here to the Hyperfollow tab. And here you can see the URL and the direct link to the Hyperfollow page. And let's press visit here. As soon as you finish uploading your music to DistroKid, you can start to market your release, collecting pre-saves on Spotify with Hyperfollow. Pre-saves means that your followers will get an email notice that they can start listening as soon as the album drops. Right, so when your release finally goes live on its release date, your Hyperfollow page will automatically update to include all the relevant streaming platform links. DistroKid basically auto-generates this website for you to include all the relevant links to Spotify, iTunes, Apple Music, Deezer, Google Play, etc. Furthermore, you can even edit this page. You can see that I've added a YouTube video here. So you can go up here to the menu and choose edit this page. And here you can include YouTube embeds and also links to, say, Bandcamp, etc. Right, so let's look at another example of a Hyperfollow page. Here we have my album called Diabolical Lilith, which is basically a double release album. So it's two releases, Diabolical Lilith 1 and 2. And you can see I've edited the Hyperfollow page to include a YouTube video. And we can see all the relevant links down here. Right, so I think it's great to have this Hyperfollow page so you can just have one single link that you send out to your promotion channels like social media, magazines, etc. So they have all these streaming platform links in one single place. Right, so let's now sum up the benefits of using Hyperfollow. The major point is that you get a simple feature to grow your Spotify fan base. And number two, it's a one link, it's a centralized webpage to share and promote your music before and after your release is officially published. Number three, more contacts, since you will be given each fan's email address. And finally, number four, more outreach. Once your release goes live, your fans will get an automated email. This automated email will include all the relevant links to make it super easy to share your release on social media platforms. Right, so I hope this video gave you some insight into the Hyperfollow function and how you can use it for your next music release. If you have any questions, please write that in the comment section below. And don't forget to use my promo link if you want to sign up for DistroKid and gain that 7% discount on your first year membership. Now you can continue and watch my next episode. My name is Mattias and see you in the next video. Bye!